Hi guys, welcome to Unit 12, Lesson 2. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use adverbial phrases correctly. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start! A2, Unit 12, Lesson 2. Using adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrases. An adverb phrase is simply a group of two or more words that function as an adverb in a sentence. An adverb can modify a verb. I ran quickly. An adjective. Tom is very tall. And another adverb. The race finished too quickly. An adverb phrase of more than one word can also modify a verb. Listen and repeat the following examples. 1. I parked the car. 2. I parked the car here. 3. I parked the car right here. 4. I parked the car right here under the bridge. The first sentence does not contain an adverb or adverb phrase at all. I parked the car here. The second sentence contains the adverb here to describe where the car was parked. I parked the car right here. The third sentence contains the adverb phrase right here, which emphasizes where the car was parked and employs a phrase instead of a single adverb. I parked the car right here under the bridge. The final sentence of the group contains a longer and more informative adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrases show how, where, why, and when something is or was done. An adverbial phrase usually contains an adverb and at least one word before or after it. Adverbial phrases describing how. So as not to disturb anybody, Michael tiptoed to bed. Take this medication as often as needed. She responded very rudely. You need to wash your hands better than that. Adverbial phrases describing where. They have a house right by the ocean. Meet me at the mall later this evening. I saw a lot of trash beside the highway. The frog jumps through the long grass. Adverbial phrases describing why. Dad spoke softly to calm her fears. He danced because he knew how to. Exercise is good for your health. To track my running speed, I use my stopwatch. Adverbial phrases describing when. I'll do it in a minute. We will meet again after the summer. They check their email on their iPad before they get up. I'll go to bed in an hour.
Let's start to practice.